Folks, look at SharperTrades. A tough session on the market. The price opened higher across all indices. However, it turned around very quickly with the tension in the Middle East between Iran and Israel. Hopefully, things don't escalate. Otherwise, we have a big problem. But the market is not happy about what's going on. So open higher, close lower, bearish engulfing, broke very important support level. Primary was the 512 level, and then went down, took the 50 SMA, the 508, and went all the way down to 502, 503. Next support, if the bears keep pressing at the moment, again, doesn't look good. 501 and 492. Resistance is now 508, 509, and the 50 SMA. The triple Q for the indices, the other one broke below the 50 simple moving average and those recent lows around 433. This one, if the bears keep pressing, then we're going to see a retest of 425 and the 414, 415 level. Resistance also the 50 simple moving average. All right, so with the inverse, we'll go to the SPXS. This one is the inverse ETF for the SPY or the S&P 500. Is a swing. Today went as high as 983. The target was 993. 10 pennies shy of it. I will suggest tightening the stops a bit. Let's go for 930. 930 and 9. The targets moving forward 10, 1060, and 1130. SQQQ inverse ETF for the Nasdaq 100 initiated the swing today. There was a dark pool activity today and on Friday, a large one, a total of 2.6 million, with the price range between 1060 and 1090. Currently above it is bullish, and we saw it in the Nasdaq 100 pressure. So this one is moving up. The target for us 12, 13, and 14. The support ATMA 1080 and 1040 roughly. CRM is a short idea, heading lower today on a news of discussion about acquisition of some company, Informatica, and market did not like that news, and also was accelerated by the pressure in the market. This one is a short idea. The target 271, 261, 251, and it could head all the way down to the 200 SMA, currently 238. The resistance at the moment 279 and 287. So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses, all my trading services, and access to the trading room. A package worth almost $3,000, available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section, and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1, or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. SharperTrades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.